think of the entity, you think of a weird random thing, but it's more than a random thing. I can't say it's a creature that torments you. So let's just get right into this. And this is what it looks like. Creepy, right? Well, as you can see, it looks like a spider creature, but it really isn't. It's a human. Kind of a human. I wouldn't say it is, but it kind of is. And there's powerful killers in this game that can actually survive the entity's power, and they are Cenobite and Pyramid Head. They are very powerful. I will show you a clip of Pyramid Head in about 2 seconds after I'm done explaining. So here's the trailer of the Pyramid Head. You might know him from Silent Hill. Okay? So right. He's a very strong killer for multiple reasons. His big sword, his torment, his hate for the entity. Everything about him shows that he wants and he's here to kill and torture. Well, let's get off the boring stuff and let's talk about more focusing on the entity. So the gameplay you're seeing on the screen right now are called trials. So every time you pick a killer, you ready up, and also survivor has to pick what survivor they want to be, and then, play the match. And they have to escape or they either die off hooks. And that as soon as they get to the end of their hook stage 3, they will completely die and the entity will grab them and eat them. So then after that, you either can kill everybody if you get to fast enough and you kill all of them before they do all 5 generators, or a few of them escape and you kill some of them, which is cool. You're probably like, that doesn't give me a lot of information. What the hell is the entity? Well, like I said a minute ago, it's a fictional creature made by a game called DBD or Dead by Daylight. The game is, like I said it a minute ago on how it works, and it's really fun, but that's not what we're here for. There's a lot more killers that will get bullied by the entity instead of them bullying the entity. The entity is very strong, so you need a very strong person and a very strong weapon to kill the entity. If you don't, we'll say goodbye and watch you basically get tormented by the entity, which is not what you should really want to do. If you know you can beat them, do it. If you don't know, don't do it. And for short context, instead of doing all this talking and stuff, basically the entity is, yes, a fictional character that basically the game developers made for a storyline to get people interested. And also, it's a very interesting story. You can look in more on a different account. They tell you more about their stories. And also, if you go in the game and you look at each killer, they have a storyline that origins how they get to the Dead by Daylight. Some of them get forced, and some of them just want to go in them. And I hope you guys have a great day or night and enjoy what I told you right now. And I hope that gives you more information on the entity. But if it doesn't, just tell me to make a part 2.